So you're getting into FEA. Awesome. We're going to break down a key concept you've got to master: fixtures.
Ever had your part just fly away in a simulation? Yeah, that warning, it's a classic problem. The solution? Fixtures. Think of them as the rules that anchor your virtual part to reality. See, every part can move in 6 different ways. We call these degrees of freedom. We got to lock them down.
First up, the fixed support. The analogy is perfect. It's like setting a flagpole in solid concrete.
And the classic example? A cantilever beam. One end is just completely locked down. It can't move or rotate.
So, the takeaway here? A fixed support locks all 6 degrees of freedom. No movement, no rotation. Period.
Okay, next we've got the hinge support. And yeah, a regular door hinge is the perfect way to picture this.
In your software, this lets the part pivot freely around that central axis, but stops it from sliding off.
So what's the key? A hinge allows for one specific rotation while locking down everything else.
And finally, let's talk about the roller support. The skateboard analogy is gold. It can roll, but not fall through the floor.
This support is brilliant. It prevents movement into the surface, but lets the part slide freely along it.
So the roller is the most free of the bunch. It only restricts that 1 degree of freedom perpendicular to the surface.
So, how do you pick the right one? It's a balancing act. You have to match your model to physical reality.
Okay, this chart is basically your cheat sheet. It lays out everything we've talked about, nice and clear.
And you really need to remember this. Getting the fixture wrong can make your entire analysis worthless.
So the big question is this: is your fixture just an assumption, or does it actually represent reality?